When it comes to taking care of sensitive, redness-prone skin, the challenge often lies in finding a product that can provide relief without irritation. That's where today's review comes in. Aveeno Calm Restore Facial Moisturizer. If you're tired of battling redness and dryness, this might be the solution you've been searching for. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you won't miss out on more reviews like this one. Aveeno is known for its gentle formulations, and this facial moisturizer is no exception. Designed specifically for sensitive skin, it targets redness while also offering deep hydration. The standout ingredients include oat and feverfew, both of which are known for their calming properties. Together, they work to reduce the appearance of redness and restore the skin's natural balance. The formula is non-comedogenic, meaning it won't clog pores, and it's completely fragrance-free, perfect for anyone with sensitivity to scent or harsh chemicals. Now let's talk about how this product actually works in real life. I've been using it consistently for a couple of weeks, and what really stood out to me is how fast absorbing it is. You know those moisturizers that sit on top of your skin and feel greasy for hours? This isn't one of them. It sinks in quickly, leaving a smooth, non-greasy finish that's soft to the touch. I found that it layered beautifully under makeup without disrupting my base, which is a huge plus for daily wear. On top of that, the texture is incredibly lightweight. Some creams meant for sensitive skin can be heavy or leave behind a residue, but Aveeno's Calm Restore is far from that. It feels like it gives my skin a drink of water without weighing it down, which is great if you're someone who tends to avoid heavy creams. But it's not just about texture. I really noticed the difference in my skin's redness after using this product. It didn't eliminate the redness entirely, but it definitely reduced the intensity of my flare-ups, especially around my cheeks and nose. For anyone with irritated, dry skin, this moisturizer feels incredibly soothing. It calms my skin, leaving it feeling balanced, soft, and hydrated all day long. Let's get into the pros and cons. The pros are clear. This product is gentle, lightweight, and fast-absorbing, making it perfect for sensitive skin. It's also fragrance-free and hypoallergenic, which is a major win for those prone to skin reactions. Another thing I love is that it supports the skin's moisture barrier with ingredients like ceramide and vitamin B5. That means it's not just hydrating, it's helping your skin protect itself against external aggressors, which is key for those with redness-prone skin. On the flip side, the product doesn't work instantaneously. While it helps with redness, the results are gradual, and you might not see a dramatic change in the first couple of days. So if you're looking for a quick fix, this may not give you an immediate solution. It also might not be the best option if you're looking for something that offers more advanced anti-aging or anti-acne benefits. This is really more for soothing and moisturizing. When it comes to value for money, Aveeno has positioned this product at a reasonable price point, especially considering its high-quality ingredients. The 1.7 ounce jar isn't the largest, but a little goes a long way, so you're likely to get a good amount of use out of it. For its calming benefits and moisture barrier support, I'd say it's worth the price. Comparing this to other redness relief products on the market, Aveeno stands out in terms of how gentle it is. Many redness relief creams are too harsh for sensitive skin, but this one strikes a nice balance. It's not as potent as some prescription creams, but it's also not filled with irritating chemicals like others can be. So, for a drugstore option, it's definitely one of the better choices out there. In terms of build quality, the packaging is simple but effective. It's a small jar that's easy to open, and the product is dispensed easily. The non-greasy formula means it won't leave an oily residue on your fingers when you're applying it. I haven't had any issues with it breaking down or going bad over time, and there's nothing about the construction that feels cheap. So, is this the product you need to tackle your redness and dryness? If you're dealing with sensitive skin and are looking for a gentle, everyday moisturizer, I think Aveeno Calm Restore is definitely worth trying. It doesn't make overblown claims, but it works well within its parameters. For anyone struggling with redness-prone skin, it's a good, reliable option. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you are itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.